Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen photo in contact. So before do this one, first of all we need to set the incoming call to full screen. For this, go to settings, then scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option apps, tap on this one. Then from here you need to select the application phone, then tap on incoming call. Then you need to select the option full screen. Now we need to set a photo to a contact number. Okay, so here I am going to set a photo to this contact number. For this, first of all we need to select the contact, then select the option edit. Now tap on the option add photo, and from here you can select the photo from your device. If you want to select a photo from your device, then you can select the option photos. So if you want to take a photo from your camera, then select the option camera. Okay, so from here I am going to select the photo from the device, tap on photos. So here I am going to select this one. Now adjust this picture, you can adjust this one. Okay, after that tap on done, tap on continue, tap on done. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Now I am going to make a call to this from this number. You can see. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable the full screen photo in contact. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.